Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change your DNS settings on Windows 11. For this, go to Start, then click on Settings. After that, go to Network and Internet. There are two places where you can change your DNS settings. You can either go to Wi-Fi and I will show you how to do that, or you can simply go to the Ethernet. The DNS settings will be at the bottom. I'm going to use the Wi-Fi option here because it doesn't show my IP address. From here, we are going to click on hardware properties. Once you are here, you will see DNS server assignment. It's currently set to automatic. So we are going to click on edit. It's currently on automatic, but we are going to change it to manual. Under IPv4, you want to turn this on. The first box here is for your primary DNS. We are going to enter the Google public DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. The alternate DNS is the secondary DNS. So for Google public DNS, that would be 8.8.4.4. You can use any public DNS server. The primary and secondary DNS information goes into these two boxes here. Once you have entered the details, click on save. After that, you can test your internet connection to see if it's a little faster. If not, you can always try different DNS servers. So hopefully this video is helpful.